Let's go. Let's go. What we got? What we got? Yeah. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Lil Lottie, aka Luda the Shooter, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm gonna be hitting y'all with something a little bit different, and I'm actually surprised that it took me this long to do this, but somebody actually ended up sending me some stuff. So that means today I'm gonna be doing my very first unboxing video. So hopefully y'all like this kind of content. Either way, I'm really excited. It's actually some really dope stuff. And I'm just gonna freestyle it, man. I don't have nothing scripted, nothing written out. So we gonna get into it, bro. Hopefully y'all like it. Y'all know what it is, man. Let's get it. I actually ended up getting something really dope from the good people at Hat Club. Thank you for sponsoring this video, and thank you for sending me some brand new drip. Just came in fresh off the press. Boom. I don't know if you can see that. It's a Hat Club bag. This is actually my very first product from Hat Club, and I know some of y'all might not be familiar with it, but we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna show you what they're all about. So boom, let's go. So we open the bag, and then you're greeted with this custom Hat Club box. So I've seen other people's unboxing on YouTube, and I am familiar with this box, but I never got one for myself. So let's get to the business, all right? You know, I keep that thing on me. So we're gonna open it up. Oh, yes, sir. Dope Hat Club pen, bronze Hat Club pen. And then this bad boy right here. Oh, goddamn. So Hat Club is getting ready to drop their brand new green eggs and ham collection. And just wait a second, you're gonna see why it's called that. But I was lucky enough to be able to get an early release version of this hat. So without further ado, let's get into it. So boom, forest green all around. It's not too bright, doesn't stand out too much. It's like it's a perfect shade of green. On the front, all white San Francisco Giants logo. There's no trim, no outline or nothing. Just one color. I really like that. Very clean, simple look. On the side, this is my favorite part actually. You got the big World Series patch on the side. I like this side of World Series. I like this size of World Series patches. I know a lot of people prefer when they're smaller. I think this is a perfect size. On the back, however, you got the white and pink Batterman, and the Batterman is flat. It's not raised. If you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. And I'm actually glad that they put the Batterman logo, because a lot of the Hat Club releases actually don't have any logo on the back at all. I personally don't like that, so I'm so glad that they put the Batterman right here in the back. On the side, there is a New Era flag. You just probably can't see it, but it's green on green, so it blends in with the hat. The real selling point right here, this is why you want the hat. It's this right here. It's that pink bottom. So when you put it together, you got the green eggs and ham, right? That's why it's called the green eggs and ham. Aha. So this is actually my very first pink bottom in my collection. I'm gonna be honest with you, at first, I wasn't really sold on the whole pink bottom thing, just cause I was so used to gray and green. But when you have this thing in hand, bro, it completely changes the way that I feel. And shout out to Justin, aka Pink Bottom Just. He is the originator of the pink bottom New Era hat and the designer at Hat Club who actually like puts these dope releases together. So shout out to Just. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on for y'all, and y'all can see how y'all feel about it. And wait, I'm not about to show you my hair because it's a work in progress. So give me a second. So we are back. Couple things. As far as the fit, it actually fits perfect. I got my normal size 7 3/8, and it's actually kind of roomy compared to the last couple fitted caps that I got in the same size. Those run a little bit snug, but that is not the case with these. As far as like what you can rock with this hat, it's gonna be a little bit harder to match the green with the pink. The only thing I can think of is just probably just some all white Forces. That's really all you can do, unless you want to get like some all green Vans or something like that. I don't know. So as far as team options, I got to pick the San Francisco one just because I like the logo really. There was no Astros one on the list, otherwise I would have scooped that joint with the quickness. So if you wanted to cop one of these bad boys yourself, Hat Club is actually doing a pre-order on these, which is good because if they were to do a regular drop, they would sell out in seconds. That's just facts, I'm just letting you know. So depending when you're watching this video, the pre-order link will be up starting July 25th, and I think it's up for like 4 or 5 days, but you want to act quick. So make sure you're following Hat Club on Instagram to catch that link, and just follow them regardless, bro, because they're always doing some exclusive dope drops, so you want to stay on top of that. So this was my very first unboxing video. Hopefully you liked it, and if you want me to keep doing stuff like this, let me know down in the comments below. That's it, man. Sanitize your hands, mask up, and as always, glow up, don't slow up. That way, yeah.